Hi, and welcome to the tutorial about writing on a computer for Honolulu Community College. So first let's start with what is a word processing program. This is basically a computer program on your computer that can be used for writing. So you have a couple options. We have OpenOffice on your right side and Microsoft Office on your left side. One difference is that for Microsoft you do have to pay for that one, and OpenOffice you have the option of a free download. Now, a user, when you're in one of these programs, you can compose or edit text, pictures, tables, graphs, and charts, and you can also save your work to the computer or to an external memory device. So what is an external memory device? This device can store your computer files and upload these files to other computers so that when you do work at home, you can easily transfer it to a computer on campus as well, and then continue working. So you have some options for physical memory devices. You have writable CDs and USB drives, also sometimes known as thumb drives. So on your left is the USB, and on the right is a CD. And for a CD, you definitely want to make sure you have a CD drive in the computer. And to use a USB drive, the computer must have a USB port. So if you look at where the red arrow is pointing, you'll see that little squiggly thing with shapes on the end. That symbol means it's a USB port, and you can plug a USB either drive, or sometimes it's a cable that you'll need to plug in for other devices as well. So if it has that little symbol and those little input boxes, then you should be okay to use a USB drive. So what if you don't have one? You can store your files online. So you can use Google Documents, email, the Dropbox and Laulima. So you have 3 different options for storing and backing up your files. If you can't open your file on your computer, there are some possible reasons for this. You might have had a stolen computer, it might have been broken, a computer virus, or file corruption. And in any of these cases, if you only stored your work in one location and then you lose it somehow, it's going to be very difficult for you to get it back. So remember, always save in more than one place so you will have access to your work at school and at home. Okay, thanks for your time. If you would like more information on how to change file extensions while you're saving, and also how to name your files for your classes, tune in for the next tutorials.